Then really, you scared? No. Padlock mo?
Look, miss ni Marino, no?
Go. See? Chill. Okay, we're good. What's up? We're making a vlog today. Alright, I'm gonna redo that intro. What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below and like this video. Another vlog. It's another day of a life of a nursing student. Yeah. So if you're new to this channel, hit that like and subscribe button down below. And don't forget that it's lit every day. We are not the best family on YouTube, but let's get it. Yeah. So right now we're here in the main campus. This is where I go to school. We're in the main. Right now we're waiting for our turn to talk with our dean. We are going to meet this person right here. She is very angry at us. The reason why she's angry is because we're late. She said 9 o'clock. I am going to take her bike. Took her bike, guys. That was fun. We had the morning workout in cardio. Look at these guys doing. We have another group inside here. See right there, that's Gladys. Look at it. Gladys. And these guys are chilling, waiting. You guys ready to explain?
More than ready.
Yeah. Oh. Where's Diane? Huh? Australia? So this is our campus. It's what it looks like. This is our campus. It's very green. Look at that. Super green. Yeah, green. The grass is green. The trees are green. Everywhere is green. Nature. So I'm going to find Diane. Whoppa! I think she went into that building over there. Strale, that's our clinic. Diane! So, so Diane's getting her foot patched. She just finished. She's over there walking. Look at her. So sad. Still waiting for her turn. She's taking a while. Taking too long.
Bukan ako mag-advance.
No, the vlog doesn't end.
Good. Sabi ko yung sandigat mo, basta tambukag yun.
Tambok kayo.
Basta yun, tambukag.
Tambok kayo. Tambok. Tambok. Tambok.
Dito yung asa na to?
Uy! Kitsuna!
Secret! Yun dahil.
Diane, is your foot okay? I just got slapped twice in the leg by Karen. Oh man.
Ano pa kayo
We
yan?
have to be silent because
Copy lang.
they're having their consultation right now. My hand is shaking because I'm kind of nervous. Why am I whispering?
Nakilig lang pagkapi.
Oh, sorry. I was gonna do that, but
Di ba kiligon ako.
she's kilig now. Kilig?
Ah,
Kilig ka?
she's blushing.
She's blushing because there's a guy that messaged her and she's like,
Jeremiah de la
oh,
Cruz.
oh, you just said the name. Whoever watches this video.
Oh, cute.
Oh, it's a
Ayun.
It's a cactus. Who gave that to him?
Secret.
Kilig is a carrot. Kilig is a word that Filipinos use as. What's the word? What's the English word of kilig?
You,
What cringe? Cringy?
fidgeting.
Fidgeting.
Remorse.
Fidgeting.
Tremors.
What the heck? So that fan over there, it's been here for 10 years. And it broke when we were in second year college. And until now, it's never been fixed or replaced. Even the TV over there, it's broken. Still broken. Yeah. This vlog is going nowhere. I'm waiting till we get in there. For consult. What's it called? What's the word? Consultating? Consulting.
Consulting.
Consultation. Consultation. Sorry guys. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Nasa po,
Nakay Cubs. Wait, nakipano ko kasi.
Mana Diane finally. But we still have a lot of work to do.
Dragon kaayo.
Damn.
Ikaw na division.
So we just finished having our consultation. Consultating. We just finished our consultation with ma'am, and it went fine. She wasn't angry. She was chill. So now we just need to edit a lot of stuff. We need to do a lot of revision and reading. So we're just chilling here. I'm here with Diane. Where's the others? They're gone. This stick right here. Sundayo. We're going back down now. We're riding this thing. The vlog is real. There's Diane in the back sitting down. Yo. Waiting for this guy. Superman. Let's go, man. Woohoo! Yeah, guys, we are going away. Back here in the main, no, not the main. I'm back here in my dorm. Today was a long day, I guess. I just got some stuff done with our research. So the next thing I'll do is study for exam tomorrow, finish requirements, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So right now I'm trying to study, or I'm about to study, but start procrastinating a bit, but this is what my roommate's doing. He's supposed to be studying, but he's doing like some programming and shit. He's not a nurse anymore, turned into a programmer. Trying to find some commands and stuff. So right now I'm pretty hungry. I can't study correctly, and we're all hungry in the room actually. So they told me to go out to 7-Eleven and get them some hot dogs, so which I'm gonna do right now. So I'm going out right now. I'm just gonna go to 7-Eleven. Got a Riderella going there. What's up, bro? Back. Well, I came back around like 2-ish. Yeah. What do you do? It's okay if I. All right, so I got my got the note. And I'm going to head out to the small barangay, going to 7-Eleven. And I also gotta buy some bread for my home dean, so it should be good. Up we go! Oh no. Oh shit, it looks like it's gonna rain. So right now I'm walking around Bagontas. I got some bread for my teacher. I'm going to 7-Eleven. And there's a lot of people looking at me, but it's okay. So I'm in 7-Eleven right now. I'm gonna get some hot dogs. Hot dogs. Yeah. So I'm back. Oh, it's raining, dude. In Turkey, man. There's a turkey over there, man. Ah, shit. Oh shit. The headphones are getting wet. Oh. I'm gonna get sick. Nah, I just gotta drink water. I'm back in the room. This is what I gotta do for you guys. I get freaking wet in the rain. I feel like I'm gonna get sick now because of you guys. I got the package, the hot dog secured. So that's the end of this raw vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to stay tuned in the next vlog, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and keep posted for more future vlogs. Don't forget to remember that one thing that we always say, or that I always say, it's lit every day. We got you right here. Is the tech guy in the room.